Hi, I'm Jeff, and I am an Algonquin College Pathway student. Before I came to Algonquin, I was working at a small radio station. When the equipment broke, I was the one who was responsible for troubleshooting and repairing it. I learned that I really enjoyed fixing things and decided to go back to school for engineering. Since coming to Algonquin, my experience has been really supportive. I have ADHD, and the Center for Accessible Learning provided me with the tools to be successful in my program. After completing my diploma, I applied to Algonquin's Bachelor of Engineering in Automation and Robotics to increase my job opportunities. Since there was a transfer pathway from mechanical, I was able to fast-track my degree starting in third year of the program. The transition from diploma to degree was challenging, but rewarding. I had to be more proactive, rely on my support system, and teach myself a lot, but it was worth it. Having both a diploma and a degree will help me advance in my career. From discovering my passion for engineering and getting invaluable industry experience, my journey at Algonquin has been empowering. If you're considering furthering your education, embrace the challenge and go for it.